Hey guys, welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, a special welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the citation generator in QuillBot. First, open your browser and go to QuillBot.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll down and click on the Citation Generator tool. And here you'll see a few different options. You can upload a PDF or enter the citation details manually. But for this video, we'll be searching for the title that we want to cite. Simply type the title of your source into the search bar and select the correct result from the list. Next, choose the citation style you need, such as the APA, MLA, or the Chicago style. And you can also have different options. So QuillBot will automatically generate the citation for you. As you can see here, you'll get the full reference citation in APA format, along with the in-text citations, including both parenthetical and narrative styles. So you can review everything, make quick edits if needed, and then copy the citation directly into your document. With just a few steps, you can create accurate citations using QuillBot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.